back to my YouTube channel. My name's Megan if you don't know me already, and I've got a very exciting video for you today. I'm going to be unboxing, testing, swatching the new Roxxsurus palette. This is in collaboration with Makeup Revolution and it's called the Blush Burst palette. I also have the lipstick trio. This is the liquid lipsticks, also by Roxxsurus. This is the Ride or Die collection. I'm so excited to be testing this out today. So let's get into the video. So I'm going to be starting off with the Blush Burst palette. This is like an add-on from a previous collection. So straight away, initial thoughts, packaging's stunning. It's amazing. It's this like pinky peach and white marble effect pattern, and then it has these like gold accents that are like embossed into it. This huge big window so you can see all the blushes in the pans, and then the huge logo, Roxi logo, that's like this like baby pink, and it feels really nice to touch. It's like matte to touch, and this is what the back of it looks like. I can't wait any longer. Let's just open it up. So just remove the outer sleeve and this is what it looks like now. Has got a wanky sticker, but I can forgive that. I can look past that. It is the same packaging as the Soap Highlighter palette. Plastic clear front and then pink on the back there. And then opening it up, there are 8 different shades, 8 different blush shades. This side starts off more pinky tones, like fairer skin tones, and then it goes into deeper skin tones like burnt orange, coral kind of shades. So some of the shades are like a baked shade, some are more matte, some have got a little bit of shimmer. Really nice added touch is the R's printed in from her logo. I believe she couldn't do it in all of them because of the creamy formula, so I'm excited to see the difference in formulas. So let's get into swatching. So I'm going to show you how they swatch now. This one feels nice and creamy, but not too creamy. There's not much fallout, which is great. And this is how the swatches. And then the next one I'm going to try is this one. Oh, that feels even creamier, that one. Oh, that one's like slightly like peachier. I'm going to go with this one now. This one still feels creamy even though it's got the logo imprinted. That one's definitely slightly more peachier. Now I'm going to take this one right here and see how that one swatches. That one's definitely a little bit more chalky, a little bit drier. These would make really nice eyeshadows too. So next I'm going in with this really deep reddish shade here. That one's definitely darker as expected, but it just goes to show that these should definitely work on deeper skin tones. So the next one that I'm going to swatch is this one right here. I'm wondering if you could use this as like almost a contour kind of shade, just to deepen up your contour and do like a little bit of like blush contour. Oh yeah, that's nice. And it's not as dark as I thought it was gonna be, but that's really nice. The next one I'm so excited to swatch is this one right here, another baked one. It just looks really nice in the pan. And that one looks like this. And then the final one is this one right here. That one's a really nice colour. We're too deep for me, but it's going to make a really nice eyeshadow. So swatches all done and they look stunning. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here, this first shade on this side of my cheek, and I'm going to go in with a really light hand and like see how we can build it up, see whether it builds up nice. I believe that Roxxsurus did say in her announcement video that she kind of designed them so that they're not really pigmented straight away, so that they're super buildable. So if you don't like a lot of blush, you can just build it up to how you like it. So I'm just going to take the blush on a JS20 Cover Me in blush brush and put it on the apples of my cheeks. It's like a really light pinky pink kind of shade. I never used to be into blush, like it was never something that I ever did. I do a bit of contour and highlighter, but more recently I found that me and a lot of other people are using blusher a lot more. So this is what the first side looks like and what the first colour looks like. In Roxi's video, she actually did sort of a little bit of blusher contour, which I've never heard of, I've never tried, so I think I might try that on the next cheek. And I'm going to go in with this second shade right here, and then I'm going to go into this shade here. Oh, I think I prefer this one over the first one. Oh, it's pretty. I like that shade. And then I'm going to go into that fourth shade and just attempt a little bit of blush contour. I don't know, I've never done this before. Yeah, I kind of like it. I'm going to try and pick a shade for this side. I don't know why, but something is telling me to go in with this shade. May possibly regret this, and I'm definitely going to use just a very small amount. I'm gonna try this shade here, and I'm just gonna put that on my nose. I like to put blusher on my nose because I think it ties everything together. So I'm actually gonna give some of these shadows a try on my eyes. She actually said in a release video that they're suitable for your eyes as well. So I'm gonna take this shade right here and I'm gonna apply that in my crease. I'm just gonna take a big fluffy brush and really blend that in. And you could literally just leave it like that if you wanted to, but because I want to try out some more shades, I'm going to deepen my crease, and to do that I'm going to use this shade right here. This has definitely gone in a lot more pinky than it did on the cheeks, but I love that. I thought I'd be going for more of a peach kind of look, but apparently I'm not. So I think I'm going to try this shade right here to put all across my lid. He's actually kind of pigmented. I thought I'd be going for more pastel. I mean, it is pastel, but they're performing really well as eyeshadows. Now I'm just going to take those same crease shades and just wash them underneath my eye. So now I'm just going to do the exact same to the other eye and apply some mascara, and then I'll be right back. So this is the finished eye look, and I actually love it. I've put mascara on, I've not put any eyeliner on or any eyelashes, and I love how it looks. I loved how they performed as eyeshadows as well as blushes. It's strange that they're really quite pigmented. You can really build them up on your eyelids, but for the blusher on the skin, it's like really quite subtle and like glowy. It's nice. I really like this palette. So I'm going to put this down and I'm going to grab my lipsticks. So you get 3 in the collection, and you get 2 matte formulas and 1 cream formula. And the idea is that the cream formula you can add on to the matte formulas, or you can just wear it on its own. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you. This is the first one. It has this like frosted kind of packaging. It's quite difficult to see what kind of shade it is though. So this one is in the shade New York, and this is the cream formula. This one's kind of light peachy nude kind of shade. Next I've got the shade Tokyo. This one straight away looks a lot darker, and this is what the applicator looks like. It's just like a straight one, and it's super flexible. So it's like a darker kind of more plum mauvey kind of shade. And then the third one is London, and this is also a matte formula like this. This one looks like more of a darker browny kind of shade. So I am going to try all 3 for you. So I'm going to start off with the cream formula New York. So this is what New York looks like. It's not far off my natural lip shade. It's just a little bit lighter, more peachy. I definitely would wear this. I think it would perform better with a lip liner, but I think this one's just a great one to just have in your collection that you can use as a topper. Next, I'm gonna try Tokyo. So this is what Tokyo looks like, and I love this shade. This shade is so nice. It is such a bit of me, and I don't know why I haven't got this shade like in my collection. I have similar shades, but I haven't got this one. So I love this one. I'm real happy about this one. And finally, I'm going to try the shade London, see what that one looks like too. And this is what London looks like. It's like a browny, nudie shade. I really like this shade. It's really, really nice. I haven't got anything like it in my collection, so it's perfect to just have. I can completely relate and understand why these are her ride or die lip shades, because they're so wearable and they're so different, and they're just so good to just have in your collection, and you can make them work with loads of other different like lip liners or other lipsticks to create toppers. So speaking of toppers, I'm actually just going to try New York, which is the cream shade again. I'm going to pat that in the middle. So this is like the final look that I came out with today. I'm really, really happy with all of the shades in the palette. So this palette is £10 for 8 shades of blush. I think that's amazing, and for 8 shades of blush that I can actually use is even better. So I love the way they performed on the eyes, and I love the way that they perform on the cheeks. I love how you can do a little bit of light blush here and a bit of contour blush. It's just so versatile, and I love how diverse it is. That's something that's really important. The lipsticks, they're also £10 and you get 3 of those. I think that's amazing. The formula of these are just so good. Even the matte ones, they're not drying at all. They feel like butter. That's like the best way that I can describe them. They just feel like butter. I have to say that Tokyo is definitely my favourite shade, and I'm so excited to use this one more. I'm really excited to play around with this more. Overall, just massive thumbs up, massive thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. If you enjoyed my video, please hit the like button and comment down below, have you ordered it? Have I made you order it? Maybe what your favourite shade is. what you think of the look. Subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss another video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!